Hello friends, I'm Olivia, and today I'm taking you inside the KFC factory. You're about to witness the full journey from fresh chicken to crispy perfection. From raw ingredients to the final golden crunch, you'll see every step. Powerful machines, expert techniques, and secret seasoning make this process amazing. Every stage is fast, precise, and incredibly satisfying to watch. You just saw how the eggs were brought in from the farm with great care. Then, with the help of advanced machines, the chicks began their journey. This is where the first stage of the production process begins. Every step is managed with precision, hygiene, and expert care. Modern technology makes the entire process smooth and efficient. In just 35 to 40 days, the chicks grow into full-size chickens. It's amazing to see how fast this transformation happens. With proper care, nutrition, and a controlled environment, healthy growth is achieved. Every stage is carefully managed for the best results. This is where quality production truly begins. Strong, healthy chickens are prepared for the next process. Modern farming and technology make everything possible. This journey is becoming more fascinating with every step. After this stage, the chickens move to the processing line. Here, they are carefully prepared for the next steps. Then the cleaning process begins inside advanced washing systems. Every piece is cleaned thoroughly with high hygiene standards. Freshness, safety, and quality are checked at every moment. Powerful machines make the process fast and precise. This is where raw chicken starts its transformation. Everything is handled with professional care and strict control. Look closely, our staff is wearing proper gloves and protective uniforms. Hygiene and safety are taken very seriously in every step. Every worker follows strict cleanliness standards inside the factory. This helps keep the products fresh, safe, and high quality. Professional teams and clean environments create trusted results. Even the smallest details matter during production. This is how top factories maintain customer trust. Quality starts with clean hands and professional care. The cutting process is now complete, and the chicken has been separated into perfect pieces. Each part is sorted carefully with great precision. The pieces with only bones are separated to one side. Every cut is done to maintain quality and proper use of the product. Nothing is wasted during this professional process. Skilled workers and advanced machines handle every detail. This is how efficient factory production really works. Now the special seasoning has been added to the meat with great care. This is where the real flavor journey begins. Every piece is coated perfectly to lock in taste and texture. From here, different KFC menu items will be created. Secret spices and expert preparation make this process truly amazing. This is the stage that gives the chicken its famous flavor. Watching the seasoning process is incredibly satisfying.
Amazing!
The prepared chicken has now reached the kitchen stage. This is where the real cooking magic begins. Freshly prepared meat is ready to be turned into delicious dishes. Skilled chefs and proper seasoning make everything perfect. Every step is focused on taste, quality, and presentation. Now different mouth-watering dishes will be created. This is the final transformation of the process. Our cooking process is done with the highest level of cleanliness. Every step follows strict hygiene and safety standards. Clean kitchens and proper handling ensure quality food. Staff members wear protective gear at all times. Nothing is prepared without careful attention to cleanliness. This is how we maintain trust and food safety. Every dish is made in a controlled, clean environment. We always use high-quality oil in our cooking process. This ensures better taste, crispiness, and freshness in every dish. Only approved and tested oil is used in the kitchen. Quality oil plays a key role in perfect cooking results. It helps achieve that golden and crispy finish people love. Every batch is carefully checked before use. This is how we maintain premium food standards. We prepare our burgers with great care and amazing flavor. Every ingredient is selected to ensure the best taste. Our cooking process makes each burger juicy and delicious. Along with burgers, all our dishes are equally tasty and satisfying. Quality and freshness are always our top priority. Every meal is prepared to give a delightful experience. This is why our food is loved by everyone. Now the KFC burgers are being prepared fresh and ready to serve. Look closely at all the delicious ingredients being added step by step. Fresh buns, crispy chicken, sauces, and vegetables come together perfectly. Every layer is prepared with care for the best flavor. This is what makes the burger look so tasty and satisfying. The combination of ingredients creates the perfect final meal. Watching this process is truly mouth-watering. Wow, just look at that beautiful golden color. The burger looks so fresh, crispy, and incredibly delicious. Anyone who sees it would instantly want to take a bite. The perfect color makes the food even more tempting. Every ingredient looks rich, fresh, and full of flavor. This is what makes the final presentation so satisfying. The result is truly mouth-watering to watch. Stay with me, more delicious moments are coming next. Our finger chips are incredibly crispy, tasty, and full of flavor. They are one of the most loved side dishes in the kitchen. Kids especially enjoy their crunchy texture and delicious taste. Every batch is cooked to golden perfection. High-quality potatoes and fresh oil make them even better. The smell and crispy look make them impossible to resist. This is why everyone loves these tasty finger chips. Now tell us in the comments, which item is your favorite? Is it the crispy chicken, juicy burger, or tasty finger chips? We would love to know what you enjoy the most. Your comments make these videos even more exciting. Share your favorite food item with everyone below. Let's see which delicious item gets the most love. Don't forget to support the channel as well. More amazing food videos are coming soon.